Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to convert data image to an Excel format. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So this feature will allow you to upload a saved file and convert it to your worksheet as a data. So this can come in handy for many reasons. So an example is if you only have one paper copies and want to put data such as tax returns into an Excel. So to do this, you just need to do the following steps that I'm going to show you. So first, ensure the image is saved on your computer. Then just open the Excel and select the data tab. So this is the data tab, and on the get and transform data section, choose the from picture and then select picture from file. So here's from picture and then select picture from file. Then after that, browse the image files location on the computer and upload it to Excel. So on the right side of the spreadsheet, a dialog box will appear and start analyzing the data, and when done, it will show you a preview of data and give you the options to insert data or to review it. And once everything looks good, just simply hit insert data and otherwise review the data that Excel has captured. And after insertion, all data from your picture will be nicely formatted into your spreadsheet. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.